In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise ticket to Salesforce. We'll walk through the exact path to submit a support case, plus a few tips to make sure your issue is understood and resolved quickly. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type exactly, "Create Case to Salesforce." This search phrase takes you to Salesforce's official help resources where cases are created. On the results page, look for the Salesforce help result that explains how to create cases. Click that Create Cases result. It should take you to Salesforce help where you can access the support portal. If you're ever unsure whether you're on the right site, check that you're on help.salesforce.com before proceeding. Once you're on Salesforce Help, find and click My Cases. This brings you to the area where you can view past submissions and start new ones. On that page, look for the highlighted section that guides you towards starting a new request. Click the highlighted prompt, then select Create a Case. That opens the case submission form. Depending on your settings, you may be asked to sign into your Salesforce Help account. If so, continue after you're signed in so your case is tied to the right organization. Now fill out the form. In the subject field, type a short, clear summary of the problem or request. Aim for something a support engineer can understand at a glance, like reports failing to run after spring update, rather than something vague. A strong subject helps route your case correctly. Next, write your description. This is where you explain the issue in detail. Describe what you expected to happen, what actually happened, when it started, and who is affected. Include exact error messages if you have them, and outline the steps to reproduce the issue in order. Keep the language straightforward and factual. Avoid placing any sensitive information here. No passwords, personal data, access tokens, or API keys. If your issue is an enhancement request, explain the business context and why the change matters. If there's an additional description or details box available, use it to add more context such as frequency, recent configuration changes, impacted environments, and urgency. Clarifying the impact, like whether this blocks a launch or affects all users, helps support prioritize correctly. The clearer your write-up, the fewer back-and-forth messages you'll need later. Before you move on, check the email address shown on the form and confirm it's the correct contact for updates about this case. Make sure it belongs to someone who can reply quickly to Salesforce support. We won't read it out here, but take a moment to ensure it's accurate. If you have files to share, click Upload Files. Attach screenshots that show the exact issue, CSV samples that illustrate the problem, or logs that demonstrate errors. Name files clearly so they're easy to reference, and include timestamps where possible. Redact any confidential data before uploading. Clear, legible screenshots, captured after reproducing the problem, save time and help support see exactly what you're seeing. When everything looks good, click Create Case to submit. You should see a confirmation on screen, and you'll receive an email acknowledgement shortly with your case number. Keep that number handy. You can return to My Cases anytime to track progress, add comments, or upload more evidence if support requests it. That's it. You used Google to reach Salesforce Help, navigated to My Cases, opened the submission form, wrote a strong subject and description, verified your contact email, attached supporting files, and submitted your ticket. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Salesforce case.